So I'm just changing the oil filter after I put the engine flush in, and do you know what strikes me? It is that it says 1,254 hours when this oil filter was changed, and there is 2,148 hours, 0.6 now. So this is just amazing. I hope somebody got this wrong. I mean, of course, this oil filter looks used, and I believe this engine will be very happy for a couple of extra additives now and a proper engine flush. Yeah, I've tilted the excavator with my hand lift, and boy, I can tell you, bad oil came out. So the pan here below, yeah, it was straight, but still some oil was in it. So I'm really glad I tilted the excavator with the engine to get all the bad oil with the engine flush out before I will give it some fresh oil and some ceramizer additive. And here's the replacement oil filler, and now it looks like it has finished dripping. I poured a little bit of fresh oil to get the rest of it out, and yeah, get lubricating this seal here, putting it on, fresh engine, ceramizer, and off we go. This Kubota z482 is 2 cylinders, is gonna have an internal tune-up. Looking forward. Marked properly. A quick update on my excavator after the service where I changed the oil and oil filter and used the engine flush and added ceramizer. It's been working for 10 hours, and a huge difference is, check this oil. Yeah, okay, it sedimented a little bit now. So where is it? There on the pin, but look how nice and clean it is. Okay, it started to turn a little bit black, but I checked the engine oil yesterday after it worked, and it was perfectly yellow like fresh oil even after 10 hours. So I believe this engine flush has worked. Maybe the excavator is running a little bit quieter, but that's on the minor scale of it. It works very well, just like it did before, but I believe it did very, very good to the engine. So super happy with the outcome, and I can recommend it to everyone.